Hey everyone, it's Talitha here, and this video is all about how I wash, blow dry, and straighten my natural hair, and I'm just bringing you guys along with me and showing you how I get that done at the salon. So I've been a straight natural for like 10 months now, and that's because it's more manageable this way, and I just wanted a new look. And my hair has been growing, no breakage, really healthy, so there's no problem. Okay, so the first and most important step is cleansing the hair. Getting rid of all the old dirt, buildup, and grease from the week before. Just adding the shampoo, lathering my hair, really scrubbing my scalp, and cleansing your hair is just super important to maintain healthy hair and to allow your hair to grow freely, because if you have dirty scalp, you're gonna have clogged pores, and that's gonna thwart your hair from growing. So we're just rinsing that out, and we're gonna do a few more lathers before we move on to the next step. Okay, so the cleansing part is over, and as you can see my curls coming out, and obviously they're not as curly as they used to be before I started getting my hair straightened, because the more you get your hair straightened, the looser your curls get. So they're really loose right now, but you can see that when I wash my hair gets curly again. So right now she's just adding conditioner to my hair, and I don't remember the name of this conditioner, but it's so good. It's like rosemary and mint or something. So like when she adds it, you can feel the coolness of the mint on my scalp, and it is just super penetrating and awesome. And she's just pinning up my hair and leaving that for 10 minutes, and after 10 minutes she washes it out, and my hair is just feeling awesome. My scalp is really cool from the mint. Next, she's adding some leave-in conditioner to my hair and just spreading that, making sure that all my hair gets conditioned. And she's parting my hair into smaller sections to make it easier for the blow drying process. So here you can choose to get a roller set if you want and go under the hooded dryer to let it dry, but I wasn't in the mood to go under a hooded dryer today, so I just went straight to do the blow drying. So here she's using a roller brush and just brushing the length of my hair, and at the same time using a blow dryer with a nozzle to straighten my hair, and she's gonna do that for all of my hair. Okay, so now that the blow drying part is finally over, we can move on to flat ironing, which is the final process. So we're going to use a comb chase method, and she's just passing a rat tail comb along my hair and following with the flat iron, and that allows for each hair strand to get sufficient amount of heat for straightening. So she's going to do that for my entire head until we're finished. So this is the last step. And that's it. That is how I get my hair washed, blow dried, and straightened. And I get this done every 2 weeks, and sometimes I do it at home, but that's basically it. And she's just adding a oil mist on my hair to make it nice and sleek and add a little bit more sheen. And I can't forget the edges. She's just straightening the edges right now. But yeah, as I said, I get this done every 2 weeks, and every 3 months I clip my ends, or I trim my ends, so to decrease split ends and stuff and make my hair grow nice and healthy, and for length retention. And my hair has been growing so much, guys. So yeah, thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.